Alright, so we are back. We are shooting the Legion Precision Shot Rack Tactical Toolbox Edition. Has SRO on it, X300, wrapped in Ranger wrap. We've already put a couple rounds through it. Do want to show off a cool little mag base plate that a buddy of mine sent to me. So I thought it was pretty neat. Do want to thank my wallet for paying for all this ammo that I am blowing through today at the range to test stuff. And I am running the Extreme Duty gun oil. I get asked that question sometimes, like, what am I running? That's what I'm running right now. So let's get some more rounds down range and tell me what you think of the shot rack. Pretty nicely. I am digging this gun.